In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klaviyo Abandoned Cart for Shopify, a perfect guide for beginners. First things first, you'll want to ensure that your Klaviyo account is properly connected with your Shopify store. This connection forms the backbone of your subsequent actions, allowing the systems to seamlessly share information. Once your connection is in place, we're ready to dive into creating an abandoned cart flow, a key component in recovering those potentially lost sales. To start, you'll navigate over to the Flows tab in Klaviyo. This area is where you'll orchestrate various automated processes, but today we'll focus on the abandoned cart flow. Here, you can either opt for a pre-built template by searching for abandoned cart flow, or if you're feeling more hands-on, start building from scratch. Now, setting up the trigger for this flow is crucial for it to function correctly. You'll want to select Started Checkout as the trigger. This option essentially tells Klaviyo to activate the flow the moment a customer begins the checkout process but doesn't complete their purchase. Setting the trigger delay is the next step. The best practice here is to set it for 30 to 60 minutes after the cart is abandoned. This timing strikes a balance between being forgotten and remembered, making it more effective in recapturing customers' attention. Building out the email sequence is where your creativity can shine, and you'll typically start with the first email, a friendly reminder sent out 60 minutes after abandonment. A compelling subject line is "It looks like you left something behind," which aims to gently nudge the customer. The content should remind them of the items they left behind, and consider offering free shipping if applicable to sweeten the deal. The second email in the sequence will introduce a sense of urgency by being sent 12 to 24 hours later. Use a subject line like "Your cart is about to expire." This is where you can create a bit of urgency with phrases like "Offer expires in 24 hours." to push customers towards completing their purchase. Before taking your campaign live, it's critical to review the emails using the preview function to check how they display for your recipients. Once you're satisfied with the layout and messaging, the final step is to activate the flow by clicking Turn on Flow. Upon activation, your sequence will automatically reach out to customers who abandon their carts. To maximize your success, consider some bonus tips for better conversions. Use catchy subject lines to boost open rates and personalize emails with the recipient's first name using tags like first name. Additionally, make sure there is a clear call to action directing customers back to checkout. Incorporating elements of social proof like testimonials and reviews can also enhance trust, which can further increase the likelihood of conversion. With these steps, you're well on your way to efficiently using Klaviyo's abandoned cart flow to recover potentially lost sales on your Shopify store.